Following questions are this way. So we'll try to find the proper simplification within a few seconds you can solve. In this way we will try to solve. First we'll solve normally, and then we will try to see the logic behind these type of questions. Okay, the first question is this way. Okay, first term let's analyze. 3 is the LCM, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Okay, next term, 4 is the LCM, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. Multiplication is there. Third term, 5 is LCM, 5 minus 1 is 4 by 5. So on. The last term, 100 is the LCM, 100 minus 1, 99. So here we are getting 3 cancellation, 3 cancelled, 4 cancelled, 5 will be cancelled because the next term will be 5 by 6. The last term same direction will be cancelled, numerator value will be cancelled. Here from the first term we take numerator value, from the last term we take denominator value. So the final answer is 2 by 100, that can be written as 1 by 50. The final answer is 1 by 50. Here just don't make mistake, cancellation numerator value will not be cancelled from the first term, denominator term is not cancelled from the last term. Okay, so second question we will solve. So that's also similar to this question. We will try to solve the second question. So this is second question. So let's analyze the first term. So 2 is the LCM, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 is LCM, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So 4 is the LCM, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. So on. The last term is n. N is the LCM, n minus 1 numerator. So here cancellation is same in this direction, 4. So here also last term will be cancelled and numerator value will be cancelled from the last term. So remaining term from the numerator is, from the first term is numerator, from the last term denominator. So answer is 1 by n will be the answer. So in this way, in this question you try to observe that whenever there is a minus sign, so minus sign throughout, you are considering only the numerator value from the first term, denominator value from the last term. So only that's it. All the remaining terms are getting cancelled. All the terms are getting cancelled. You are observing that one. Okay. So if it is a positive sign in the question in here, if it is a positive sign, what will happen? Similar question, positive sign. Let's see. Okay. So this is the third question, similar question. But here there is a positive sign. You can observe here. Positive sign. So what will happen? Let's analyze first. First term 2 is the LCM, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Second term 3 is the LCM, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Third term 4 is the LCM, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. So on. The last term 120 is the LCM, 120 plus 120 plus 1, 121. So here see, look at the cancellation. It is in this way, cancellation. So remaining terms are 121 from the last term, it is in the numerator, 2 is from the denominator first term. So answer will be 121 by 2, that is equals to 60.5. So here you can observe one more thing. Whenever there is a negative sign in the bracket, so answer will be numerator by denominator. This is from the first term, this is from the last term. So whenever there is a positive sign in the bracket, so answer n numerator by denominator. Numerator will be last term, denominator will be from the first term. So this is just logic for this question. If you are not following up this logic, just simplify in this way. So it takes few seconds. If you know this logic, then you will get the direct answer. Let's solve these 3 questions directly using this logic. Okay. So let's apply logic for this question, whatever you have solved. Minus sign in the bracket, then the numerator by denominator, numerator from the first term, from the last term. denominator value from the last term. If it's a positive in the bracket, numerator by denominator, this is from the last term, from the first term. So for first question, so it is an minus sign, so throughout. Okay, observed. So for from the what you have seen, n by d. Okay, answer numerator value from the first term will be 3 is LCM, 3 minus 1 2. So from the last term it is directly LCM is 100, right? This is the answer, 1 by 50. Okay, so here numerator by denominator, from the first term, see the minus sign. Okay, from the first term numerator value you have to see 2 minus 1 is the numerator value, 2 minus 1 is 1. So denominator n, directly n will be the LCM, so 1 by n is the answer. So here you are observing plus sign. If it is a plus sign, so numerator by denominator, so numerator value will be from the last term. Okay, last term numerator value will be 121. 120 is LCM, 120 plus 1, 120. From the first term denominator value, take 2 is the LCM, directly substitute 2, 60.5. This is the final answer using the logic. If you are not understanding the logic, just go for the simplification, first term, second term, observe the pattern, find the solution. Okay, thank you.